It's about 7:20 in the morning. I can only say rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. I never comb my hair, but who cares? Anyway, this is my kale. That's the lettuce I planted. That's the basil I cut and it's coming back. This is a persimmon tree. More lettuce. There's something over there, I'm not sure what. I want to say rock and roll, live the dream, super excited. That's my motto. Two reasons why I say that all the time. I say it pretty much maybe 50, 100 times a day. My cells don't want to hear my shit. Listen, every moment's a moment of love, and the body's doing the best it can every single moment to make sure you rock. It has to do with everything. It has to do with what you put inside your body. Most of my diet is, oh look at that spinach coming. That's pretty amazing. I mean, I love the way life works. I mean, it dies, then you replant it. It dies, and then replant it. Right now, I got all those bags of banana peels that I'm putting in the first cardboard, then banana peels, then dirt and seeds. And we're doing it in every available space. I'm putting some veggies. Anyway, your cells don't want to hear your shit. One more time, your cells don't want to hear your shit. They want to rock and roll, live the dream, super excited. One of the key ways of doing that, this is my front yard. This is actually buckwheat. Looks really super good. And this is all this is the potatoes, sweet potatoes. And the funny thing is, I planted sweet potatoes over there, and somehow it got over there. I don't understand that. This is the carrots. These are all little raised beds I'm having. It's still going strong. Yesterday I picked out 5 or 6 peppers from here. I have no idea how long it's going to last, but it's still going. Anyway, this is the dirt. All this dirt is going to my torpedo pots. I have like 24 of them right now, and I'm planting trees in it. I do not know whether it will work or not. But I am going to do is plant them over, and this is kale. It's a little spearmint. This, my friend, is a papaya tree. What the heck? Which means from 7 to 9 o'clock, I'm going to garden the tomatoes. Season is almost over. It's coming down, and I got to replant. What I do not know. These are my fig trees. Actually turning a little yellow. I'm not sure what's going on there. All these 3 pots are empty. This is a strawberry bush. All those are torpedo pots. Torpedo pots, look at the carrots, are super nice. The beets are super nice. This is the, just planted 2 weeks ago. Unbelievable. These are beets I planted 2 weeks ago. Unbelievable. This is, I think it's, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Keep in mind, I'm still trying to figure out what's going on. What I do know is you have to feed your body right. Every moment's super excited. And I have energy galore. Oh, look at this. Watermelon season's almost over. I got 2 or 3 watermelons. This is the kale. Oh, there's a pepper. Ooh. How exciting is that? My persimmon tree is not doing good. I don't know what's going on. It was planted in the ground maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I don't know. This area, my goal in this area right here, from that the fence is to be a greenhouse. We'll see how that works out. I need someone to help me build it. And all these are seasons ended. But I have to dig it up, cardboard, banana peels, dirt, seed. This I planted maybe about a week and a half ago. Maybe about a month ago. I'm not sure. This is my carrots, I believe, and that's lettuce over there. My goal is to teach how everyone becomes self-sufficient. We need to plant our own food. Listen very carefully. There's a lot of inequality in this world. My goal is love. You know what that means? Every moment is a moment of love. Your bodies don't want to hear your shit, and the body only wants love. Once we understand that, all diseases will be wiped out. Impossible to get a disease if you fill your body with love. Impossible to be angry if you fill your body with love. Impossible. Someone said about schizophrenia or these bipolar. For the most part, you change your diet, fill with love. What does love look like? Based on 6 factors. Body has a system to receive love and to deal with waste. Has a system to deal with love, which means it deals with love. It will do whatever it can to heal itself. We had a girl yesterday come with Lyme disease, where she was suffering for over 1.5 years. Boom, boom, boom. You know what I told her? Give me 30 days. She was suffering for 1.5 years. I said, give me 30 days. What I'm going to do is fill her body with love. What does that mean? We're going to focus on getting rid of her chicken, getting rid of the dead food in our system. When you're eating dead food, you're eating the anger of the animals that are being killed. You're eating the horrific emotions that go on through their body before being killed. The way it's cut its throat, the way it destroys their family, destroys their mother, father, sister, brother, destroys it. And then we eat it. How happy can we be? Every cell in our body understands that you're eating death. Beyond. You talk about inequality, you talk about racism, you talk about anything. When I'm saying to you, all that disappears once the way we change our eat. All that, give me any hardened criminal, give me 60 days, we change their diet, and guess what happens? They become mellow. We have anybody filled with anger, and it just so, I don't know what the right word is, but we change the way he eats, we change the way he thinks. We change the way he eats, we change the way he thinks, or she thinks. There's another watermelon, by the way. The body wants love. That's all it wants is love, love, love. Give the body love, the body will do whatever it can to heal itself. The reason being is 75 trillion cells. Each cell has 20,000 life units, 380 trillion viruses, 60 billion bacteria. They never make a mistake, and it has to deal with all your shit that you put inside it. Almost impossible for me to have a bad day. One more time. Almost impossible for me to have a bad day. Almost impossible for me to get any type of disease. Almost impossible unless I put a lot of death inside my system. What do you think? What do you want to do? Rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. Rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. From the time I get up to the time I go to bed. Endless energy. Right now I got to go back to work, boom, boom, boom. I have to go shopping later. I have to meet my kids for breakfast. Then I have to work, then I go shopping, then I have to exercise. I got a 15-hour day ahead of me. Last time I ate, yesterday was at 5 o'clock, 5:30. That really sustained me because I had watermelon for dinner. I just had mostly bananas, watermelon, boom, 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 rock and roll, living dream. I got to go. Bye.